Good morning, guys. Dito ako sa kasagingan. Kasagingan ng pamangkin ko. Ayan. May inaararo yung kapatid ko dyan. It's January 7. I'm going back to the city. Tomorrow I'll be going to Metro Manila. My flight will be 6:30 in the morning in Dumaguete City, and I will be in Metro Manila around 8 in the morning. See you Manila tomorrow. Tomorrow pa yun. Ngayon, dito lang ako ngayon sa Dumaguete muna ako. Yan, ang view dere, puro green. Green and bananas. Yun. Diba? May mga pako. Mga akuan siya. Buti nga lang ngayon, umulan siya, pero di siya nagbaha. Ha? Balik na ko! Di lang siya nagbaha, pero ha? Oo, bukas buntag alas 3, alas 6. Alas 6:30. My brother. Alas 6:30. Si brother. Nagpasan og daro. Kay magdaro. I said that I'm going tomorrow around 6:30 my flight, but maybe 9 in the morning. I don't know if there is airplane at that time, so I'm not sure. Medyo lisod ning dalana, oh. Kamay ra kaayo, oh, hulog ka dihas bangin. Sana lang di ko muligid inis bangin, oh. Kuan ba yan eh? Gabi. Oh. Pwede nang ibaligya, pero ay, lapok na ako sa karsunis. Oh. Inaararo. Daro. Sa Bisaya, daro. In Tagalog, araro. Finally, I'm here. Mama, dito na si mama. Si mama ko. Mama ko. Bugat-bugat niya akong luggage kay na ay targang utanon. Dala ko utanon. Walay tsinelas si mama, maong nibalik siya para magkuhag tsinelas.
Agi pagkabuntod, ako nakduho lang na ang handbag.
Ayaw na ba? Di na kumuagi. Sunod na lang. Nagkalabaw. Si Junior gani. gatas. Okay. Pikas na po. Pikas. Ba? Kalasangan. Tagas nga kahoy.
Dihatag to ni mong idag medyas ni mo.
Wala.
Oh. Pagsala na may pangyood.
Okay. Wala ko'y gamitog akong ihatag sige tiya. Kada niya. Ingon ako'y hatag.
Okay.
Ha. Sige una ma.
Naidaghang mga kuan may mali.
May man ang pangayon kay libre.
Wala may puhunan.
Oo. Ngit-ngit man. This is my journey back to the city. When I was coming home, it was my journey back home. But to now, January 7, my journey back to the city. Dati, mahabang mga puno dyan. Pero hanggang ngayon may mahabang puno pa rin. Hindi naman siya nakaingin na. Dati, they cut the trees there. When I was a kid, it was all trees here. But now no more. Because people use it to plant something like this one, coconut trees. And some fruit trees. Tambis, tawag. That one called palaw. You still can eat that one. If you cook it, you can eat it. Okay, let's go. 8 minutes. I'm almost to another mountain, the last mountain going down. So far, it is the tallest mountain. Oh, ay grabe. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. Oh God, I need rest. Birds. I supposed to go there, but I cannot do that today because it takes time. And my mama want me in a hurry to go down for the habal-habal. That's the only, because that's the only way to get faster to the city. Because if I don't ride habal-habal, I need to ride a truck, but maybe later. Hello. Kaya yun. Ba? Ganda ng view. Cold air. Pero ang layo niya. Kailangan siyang lakaw. At matag-ulan. Grabe hirap dito. Matag-ulan. So, diba? Very strong. And it's really strong. Okay, back. Actually, the other day, because it's really late, we come, when we are going up here, we try to not stop as much as possible. So, yeah, we never stop walking, going up here. Good thing I lost weight, so I can walk through the street up here na walang pahinga. Grabe, lakad na yun. I think this is the my brother, but they sold it, so they only take care of that now. Cow here is really cheap. You can buy for the price of like 9,000 peso for that same size, or bigger than that. It depends. If the owner really needs money, they would really sold it really cheap. You can buy a cow for a few thousand of peso. But the problem, if you want to bring it to the city, you need car, you need truck. Okay, just look at the view. Yan. The view. It's really nice. Now I have 14 more minutes, almost 15 minutes. I need to talk. I'm going there on that, behind the trees, on that area. I'm going there. That is Bais City, and there is the Pamplona and Tanhay, Negros Oriental, part of that. I'm part of the city of Bais. And Mama left me already. She's gone. She walked very fast, and I cannot do that. I'm not that fast walking unless I become 42 kilos. I can walk that fast. Okay, bye for now. I need to turn off my camera now. Bye! See you soon, Metro Manila. Tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Bye!